RTD2 little fuck nigga.
I'm pretty sure you can get little desktop robots that like drive around and then dock themselves, like to recharge.
What?
Yeah, I'm like 99% certain
Oh
that's the
shit.
thing. They dock.
Dude,
They
I am
fucking
not thinking with a robot.
little foreskin bot.
Oh, wait,
around your table.
Wait, what did you just fucking say? What the fuck did I just hear?
Did you get? I don't think you got what we were joking about.
There was what the fuck?
I said docked. So that's when you stretch your foreskin over another Peter.
What the fuck?
You've never seen the fucking. I'm not posting it, but
Yeah, don't post that.
but the fucking Kirsten. I don't know what's worse, that one or the Oreo one.
Cloak boofer. Or cloak boofer, what was it?
Yeah, cloak boofer. Or cloak booting.
Cloak booting?
You warming up, huh? Whoa. Shadow Wizard Money Jang.
Yo, Vinny, you're in a jang.
Jang.
Alright, I'm deleting it, but look at chat real quick, Luke.
Let's see this.
What? I don't want to see it.
No.
I already know what it is, and I already know what it is.
Yeah, that's what bro, like you gotta see that.
No.
You gotta go through what I just went through. Come on now.
Dude,
You gotta
I know
take a
what
little.
it's gonna be.
Yeah, see? You get clapped too. Now you don't even know what it's gonna be.
Yes, I do.
Look at it. Just look at it.
10 seconds.
Oh my fuck.
What
Friday
the fuck
night.
did you search to get
5
that?
seconds to insertion.
Talking with the homies and SFW.
Talking with the homies.
Wait, it's not there.
Oh my god.
Bomb has been located.
Motherfucker, this fucking cat with a shotgun is fucking my ass!
Dick doesn't run. Here's the frags and the win. Let's ban Nomad. Why are we banning Nomad? Taking its toll on the system. Like some played out existence. There's already king of left on chat. I'm on a quest for a herd on. Still west. Really wish I had the SMG-11 Black Ice. That would fucking be awesome.
Dude, I got F2 Black Ice today because I bought the Battle Pass. Oh my god. It felt so good. Years of trying to get it, and it's done.
Secure the area. Keep the bombs
I
protected.
felt like a release, you know what I mean, Grayson?
And I never use it.
What, the F2?
No, I always use 417.
Oh, shit, doggy. Its
Dude,
fire rate's so
me,
high,
too.
but it works like the
Op 4 has located
417.
a bomb. Plant
Like the same way you're doing body shots with the 417. F2 fire rate's so high, it just deletes your fucking body.
So was my
Down to 10 seconds. 5 seconds left.
Get some. Come in my system.
Bomb located by Op 4.
Strand. Hot. Strand.
Jammer activated.
Ass stretched. Ass stretched. I sing and on.
Taking the cock.
I don't even. Oh god! Sad. Guys. This whip so hard, I'm gonna push that.
Op 4, last operator
Let's
standing.
clip that. Oh!
Yeah, clips that.
Clip.
Op 4, last stop standing.
Yeah.
He's mine!
Oh my god.
Oh, what?
Go now. Wait till you're off.
It looks really fun once you get the hang of it.
Electroclaw is active.
Down to 10 seconds.
You should like overlay a face cam of yourself on the video.
5 seconds.
Have it
Unrelated to the game I'm playing, just like
Bomb locations are secure.
it's just a random recording of a face cam from like 2 days ago.
EDD mounted. Let them come. Ambush set. Stay clear.
It's a hand cam of a mouse, but it's clearly a black man.
A bomb
for
must
the
be
rape.
located and defused.
I can't get the fucking. I don't even like that song that much. That fucking Willow Smith song.
Whip your hair back and forth.
No, not that one.
I whip my balls back and forth.
Protect the bombs.
back and forth.
My cock.
Get with my cock back and forth.
I check my cock back and forth.
Ready.
Open up your ass and then just shit onto me.
And one eye brown.
When I brown.
And one eye brown.
I mean, now don't brown mommy.
What? Oh fuck, I'm retarded.
Luke, I'm sorry, cuz you gotta get locked off, man. That's just the way it is. I apologize, but you're out of here. Yeah, I gave you a jump hole, though. I'm not too mean.
Giving them a shot. Deploying team.
I'm charged on him. Yo, he in this John. There's 2 of them in there.
Those are good calling.